Hey guys, welcome back to Terrible Trades. Today I want to show you guys how to make an old weight into new weights. Yep. So if you got like old plates, due to the virus and the whole coronavirus and the whole lockdown, people are finding weights in the backyard, in the basement, in dungeon rooms, or friends or wherever you could find Craigslist, wherever you could find plates, weights, dumbbells. You're just going on a bite. So some of the weights are getting old, they're rusty, and I want to show you guys how you could clean it up a little bit and make it look a little new. Alright guys, so look right here, this is a 5-pound plate, so you can see all the rust around it, and show you the other side. The other side you can see some black on there still, but you got a lot of rust. So what we're gonna need for this video, guys, we're gonna need, I'll show you guys, like a little wire brush so you can scrub it out a little bit, and I got gloves, sanding block. If you have sandpaper too, that's even better. I don't have any sandpaper, so I'm gonna use sanding block. And right here, if you see, this is my spray paint. It's a gloss because I want my weights to look a little glossy. And this is a paint and primer in one. So if you guys are gonna use a spray paint, make sure you have primer and paint, or either you get your primer separate and your paint separate. If you have a mask, wear a mask. It's always good for it's always good so you don't breathe this in. And I'm gonna do the cleaning here, but the spraying I highly recommend you guys do it outdoor, because indoor it will smell too much. So basically what do we do, like if you look closer, we want to get like anything out. So what you do, you just scrub it down. What you could do, which I did it before too, it's like using soap and water. If you have a soap and water, you put a little bit here, you scrub it out. Want to get all the sides, the corners, you flip it around. Same thing, you just scrub it as much as you can. See how much of the rust is coming out? Look at that. So you want to sand it down. My spray paint, you shake it up a little bit. What I don't do, I do not hold it down and then go. I just like tap. So I'll shake, I'll little distance myself, and then I tap. Alright guys, so basically I don't force and put a whole bunch of spray one shot. I'll leave this for like 20 minutes, maybe 15-20 minutes, since it's outdoor, and I'm gonna come back, show you guys, and flip the other side over. Alright guys, so it's been about like 15 minutes. We're gonna test it out. Alright, this is dry. It dries pretty fast, so we're gonna turn this over. So we're gonna leave this again for another 15 minutes, and I like to do double coat, because when you're working out, you're dropping the weights, and one coat could scratch easily, so double coat would stand a better chance. All finished, you got a brand new weight. Alright guys, so brand new weights in the building. Hopefully this video was helpful, guys, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also click in my description box below. I'm gonna leave my previous videos. Thank you for watching Terry of All Trades. I'll see you guys next time.